Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Today we will start chapter number 5 of the book, An Ultimate Solution to the Darkness Illusions. Chapter 5 is Logicality. That is the logical aspect of the issue. Atheists claim themselves to be very realistic and very logical in their approach to the issue, but in reality they are far away from logic and more away from good luck. The book written by Richard Dawkins is named as the God Delusion. He has written the book, so we have named our book as An Ultimate Solution to the Dawkins Illusions. And this is a small book of less than 100 pages, and we have uploaded this book in video clips. We have discussed all the topics in video clips in Urdu language. In round about 120 videos we have covered this book. The video clips of 10 to 12 minutes on average. And we have discussed in English language the first 4 chapters, that is the introduction, the prophets, the Holy Qur'an and creation. We have discussed these 4 chapters in English language in several video clips. And today we will start Logicality. That is the logical aspect of the issue. And reading this small book or following the different video clips which we have uploaded in Urdu language and in English language, one will come to know about the logics of the atheists, that how logical they are. You will come to know their approach. In today's talk, first I will give you some points briefly. Then we will read first 1.5 or 2 pages from this Logicality chapter. Qur'an invites us to think and reflect. And as regarding the basic belief of monotheism, existence of the Creator and oneness of the Creator, Qur'an doesn't log the brains. Rather, it invites us to think. If there were other gods besides Allah, the heavens and the earth would be ruined. The order and fine-tuning of the universe, they prove one God. Reflection on creation shows it is not aimless. Human beings are accountable for their deeds because of higher cognitive abilities, because of intellect and moral sense. Universe is a proof of power and wisdom. In the beginning of this chapter number 5, that is Logicality, we have written 3 verses from the Holy Qur'an, the last revelation upon the last Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Allah Almighty says, chapter 3, verse number 190. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم إن في خلق السماوات والأرض واختلاف الليل والنهار لآيات لأولي الألباب. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of night and day, there are signs for those of understanding. That is, the Holy Qur'an invites us to think and reflect in the universe, in the heavens, the earth, the night and day, and so on. And there are signs in these for those of understanding. That is, signs of monotheism and signs of existence of a Creator. That is the signs of Creator of this universe and signs of oneness of the Creator.